Hi guys, my name is Namaste. Founder of Brixton Soup Kitchen. I lived in Brixton all my life. Brixton is a predominantly black area. A lot of black and Caribbeans are from this area. A lot of, back in the days, a lot of them got kind of pushed back, but now it's changed.
Going to Brixton, triple the risk. Brixton, save Brixton. Picking up donations with Solomon. Picking up donations.
We bring out the Wii, the PlayStation. Over here, you know, we've got the big sign done by ITV.
So how long have you been at this location, Solomon?
We've been here for about a year now.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, so it's been absolutely crazy.
And where were you at before?
We was just across the road in a place called the Suffolk House Community Centre. And, you know, we grew from there, you know. Bigger places. Here we give tea, and over here as well is our storage.
Okay, storage area.
So we keep, you know, we give.
If anybody needs to use the internet, they can come here and use it.
And let me show you around the corner.
Donations.
Yeah, all donations.
All
And
donated.
the
Very
donations
nice.
we got right here.
What's that?
Guys, this is a big night box done by a guy called Paul Makes Stuff Out of Wood. You can find him on Instagram. And this is what he made for us, a big night box. And if you go around to the other side, it's custom made for us.
Brixton Soup Kitchen.
So this is where all our donations go. Okay. So they're going to be coming down volunteering. And they're going to clear out the back garden. Hopefully make some allotments where people can start growing fruit and veg.
It's a very inspiring place. I found out about this place when I was in a place called Spring Hill Prison. Because I've lived in Brixton most of my life, I said let me take a time out and visit here. And I was basically hooked ever since. You know. Reason why the staff are not like staff, they're like personal friends. You yourself will try and make a difference, help out what you can. You meet people from all walks of life. I think it's an inspiring place.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Brixton Kitchen, an inspiring place with inspiring people and great staff. All the way from Brixton, UK. This is Tyra.